Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 1079 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I am so excited to try out this Seraphine Botanicals Apple and Baume Glow Lip Mask. And this is a product I got in my January 2021 Boxycharm base box. And I have been wanting to try this out for so long. I love the brand Seraphine Botanicals, so I was so excited when I got this in my Boxycharm box. If you have not seen my unboxing of that, I'll have that video linked in the description down below because I am so happy with all of the products I got in that box. This has a retail value of $25 and it just sounds so perfect for me and my dry lips. It says it's a protective lip mask formulated with shea butter, apricot, plus jojoba and rosehip oils. It'll make lips chapped-free, soothed, and plumped. Love that. And it has green apple and pineapple extracts to help rid lips of unsightly dead skin cells and fine lines. I can't wait to put this on my dry lips right now. I also love that it's vegan. It's free from mineral oils, parabens, phthalates, gluten. It's hypoallergenic, non-comedogenic. So cute packaging. Of course, I love the pink. Let's see how it comes out. Oh my gosh. I noticed that green apple scent right away. It smells so good. It looks like it's got a little pink color to it. Is there a little tint? Not really. I think that should be pretty much clear. Oh my gosh, I love the smell of this. Okay, I'm just gonna apply it with my finger. I do kind of wish it had more of like a squeezy tube applicator that's more easy to apply right onto the lips, but that's okay. It does have a nice thick texture, which is what I would expect from a lip mask. It's not like a lip gloss, it's not a lip balm. So I'm glad it's really thick, because with a lip mask, if you're applying it at night or something, you want it to leave like a thick layer over your lips to last the whole night. I feel like the way it looks on my lips kind of looks like a petroleum jelly, like a little bit of sheen. I've given it a little bit to kind of seep into my lips because right away it wasn't super hydrating. Not as hydrating as I was expecting. But as time goes on, my lips are getting softer and more hydrated. They're looking smoothed out like it claims, but I do still have some chapped sections to my lips. Maybe I'm gonna apply a little bit more. I just love the feel of this, and I love how it layers up. Has a little bit more sheen now, and it just feels like there's such like a thick layer on my lips, but it's not sticky, like it's nice and silky smooth. So just very comfortable on my lips. And I do feel like as I've added some more, it's really helping with those chapped areas of my lips to soften them. So I really do like this as a hydrating lip treatment. But I'm gonna do a wear test and I'll continue wearing it for the rest of the day, and I'll try wearing it at night as an overnight lip mask, and I'll let you know. I'll write in the comments down below my wear test results to let you know if it really does moisturize my lips, hydrate and soften my lips, if when I wake up the next morning my lips are not chapped, or if they are chapped. I'll let you know in the description down below. But let me know your thoughts on this if you've tried it. I really do love lip masks. I use one every night, and this is a lot thicker than the one that I'm currently using. The one I'm currently using is from the brand Kismet. I've also used the Laneige lip masks, and this is a similar texture to the Laneige lip masks, but this might even be a little bit thicker. But I'm really excited about this because I am just so sick of having chapped, dry lips. And for this to be a product that I can throw on during the day and at night to soften my chapped lips, I'm just so excited to have it now. Well, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.